Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I'm inflating something different today.
A blow up cow.
Yeah, not quite. I've been sent this by OUTZAC, a Pico pump. This thing is absolutely tiny. Gears beyond limits, it says on there. It is the tiniest little pump I've ever seen. Now this isn't one that comes with a built-in battery, so you will need a power bank. I'll show you what comes in the box. So I put a few things in there, and I was going to say I've charged this up, but you don't charge it up. That's it. I mean, that's it. Palm of my hand. It is absolutely tiny. So if you don't want to take a battery pump with you, and you've already got a power bank on your little trip because you're charging your phone up and so on, this might be a really good option for you. Inside this little kind of nice carry bag, you do get a selection of gubbins and adapters and so on. So you've got various ones. There's a Boston valve in there. Sorry, that's the larger Boston, standard Boston, and various ones for various mats, football, and then one of those silicone ones. Sometimes find those useful on awkward valves, awkward adapters, that kind of thing. I'll just show you kind of how this works. So if your power bank has a little press button on it, plug it in to the USB-C, plug that in there, and off it goes. And then all you do is you attach whichever one of these that you want onto your end point. So you can extract air as well by flipping that the other way around. But today we're going to inflate. I've got a Unigear mat here, and I've got a keyless gear mat. This one takes quite a bit of air, this one a bit less so. I think you can see they are different sizes. So we'll get them inflated, see how long it takes. Boston valve. Oops. There we go, that's that one done. There's no on-off switch on here, so you just have to pull it out when you want it to stop. I'll put on the screen how long that took. Don't think it took that long. Keyless gear mat. Oh, this one requires a different adapter. It's like that. So the larger Boston on this one. Bigger mat this. Take a little bit longer. Now you probably noticed there was this one on the Unigear made a bit of a whiny sound, whereas it's not doing on this. So that's nothing to do with the pump. It's to do with the resistance on the valve itself. I think this is a bigger mat, and I think it's inflated this quicker than it did the Unigear mat because there's less resistance on the valve. We're done. That was pretty quick. Yeah, pretty quick. So both of those, I'll put the times on the screen, but both of those were pretty quick. That's quite an impressive little pump, considering it's that big. I mean, this weighs just a few grams. It's so light, it's untrue. And if you're going away somewhere and you know what mat you're taking, you only have to take the adapter, the one that you need at a given moment in time. You don't have to take all the other bits and pieces with you if you don't want. But even so, it doesn't weigh an awful lot. So I have to say, OUTZAC, that's quite a nice little pump, especially for those who are looking to keep everything really lightweight when they're going away. And if you're taking a power bank to charge your phone, you can actually cut back on the battery style pump, the ones that come with a battery built in. You can make it even lighter just by bringing something like this along. Multi-purpose. So thanks for sending me that, OUTZAC, and yeah, I'll put a link in the pinned comment description so you can check this out for yourself in terms of price and so on. I never put prices in these things because at the time of marketing they might be different at the time you're viewing it. So I'm back out with this little OUTZAC pump, and I wanted to try it on something else that might not look like much, but this is a Packraft, and I just wondered how much or how long it would take to put the lion's share of air in something bigger than an air mat. So let's get this out and see how long it takes. So as you can see, it's quite big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera on time lapse to basically see what happens, see if it can handle it. I put like the Boston valve adapter on, which I think is what will fit that adapter on the boat. 4 minutes 40 seconds, and that's done the lion's share of the work. And actually, for the group of us that have been sat around kind of watching this, we weren't sure that little OUTZAC pump would do that. That's quite surprising. Yes, it's taken longer than some of the other pumps that we use, but for such a tiny little device, and it's not hot or anything, yeah, good work. Good work. So the OUTZAC Pico pump, not just for air mats, not just for air mats. There's a link in the pinned comment description if you want to check it out. Anyway, you take care of yourself. Cheerio.